In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo in Carrd. First, open your browser and head to the Carrd website. On the homepage, click Open Dashboard to access your sites. If you're not already signed in, log in first and you'll land on your dashboard. Select the project where you want the logo to appear. This opens the builder with your page in the center and the editor panel on the side. To place your logo, add a new element. Click Add, the plus icon in the builder, and choose Image from the element picker. Carrd drops a placeholder on the canvas and opens image options in the sidebar. Click Upload and select your logo file from your computer. A transparent PNG usually works best for logos because it keeps edges crisp on any background. Aim for a clean, high-resolution file, but keep the size efficient so your page loads quickly. A good trick is to upload a version that's about twice the display size for sharper results on high-density screens, then scale it down in Carrd. You'll see a crop interface. Adjust the crop frame so your logo is framed exactly as you want it. Drag the corners or edges to scale and move the frame to center the mark. Leave a little breathing room if the design has tight edges, and keep the original aspect ratio so it doesn't appear stretched or squashed. When it looks right, click Accept. Your logo will replace the placeholder on the canvas. You can drag the image element to position it where it belongs in your layout, like at the top of the page or inside a header area. Next, fine-tune how it looks. Open the Appearance tab in the sidebar to control size, alignment, and spacing. Use the size slider to set a visual weight that feels balanced, clear and legible, but not overpowering. Align it left, center, or right to match your design. Add margin so it isn't pressed against text, buttons, or the edges of a section. If your style calls for it, adjust corner rounding or opacity for a softer look. Preview against your page background and make small tweaks until it sits comfortably with the rest of your content. For mobile, check the phone preview and nudge the size down if it feels too large on smaller screens. Once you're satisfied, click Done to commit your changes in the builder. Your logo is now part of your Carrd page, styled and placed exactly where you want it. That's all you need to add a clean, professional logo in Carrd. Nice work.